How to make yourself a group admin on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'll guide you through the steps to make yourself a group admin on WhatsApp. Now, to make yourself a group admin on WhatsApp, you'll need to be the current admin of the group. Simply open up the WhatsApp and open up the group chat, right? So let me just create a new group here. Click on next and create. Once you have created the group, all you gotta do is tap on the group name at the top. Once you're on the group admin, sorry, not creating the group, I just created the group here. Then from here, scroll down to the members section. Once on the members section, tap on the participant you want to make the admin and you can go ahead and make group admin. However, if you're not the admin of the group and you want to make yourself group admin, that is not possible. You'll have to ask the particular admins to make you the admin as well. Or the other way, if you wish to make yourself group admin, is to simply create a new group and be an admin of it. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.